Alright y'all, Bubba here again, coming to you from my kitchen. First I want to start off and apologize. I haven't made a video in a couple of weeks. The first week was being busy and lazy. This week I've been sick all week, literally. Got some kind of stomach bug and just been dog sick. Doing better now. I want to apologize to y'all for not getting videos out like I said I was going to twice a week. But I'm going to try to get back on it now. I hope y'all actually start watching them, sharing them, and doing things. But today's going to be something a little different. Today we're going to try out something I saw the other day and I had to get. Check this out. Y'all see that? Jalapeno spam. Now I like some spicy things. I'm not one of those guys that eats the spiciest of spiciest stuff, but I do like spicy things. And I love Spam. Oh gosh. Spam's one of my favorites. So what we're going to do today is, I got some farm fresh eggs, and I got this Spam, and I got a bag of cheese. So I'm going to actually cube up this Spam, pan fry it in cubes, a little bit of oil maybe, see what it tastes like. It probably shouldn't need anything added to it. And then make me a big Spam and cheese omelet. So that's basically all we're going to do today, and I'm going to let you know how this Spam tastes. I'm going to let you know how it tastes when it's raw, fried, and in the omelet. So that's what we're going to do today, y'all. Come on over here. Let's see if we can show you how this goes. Alright, I'm just going to cube this up. I guess y'all can see that. Got my custom old hick, customized by Blake Watson, by the way. Beautiful, man. The dude does beautiful work. If you want to get something done, send it to him. He acid etches it if you want it. Custom new scales on it, however you want. He's got all kinds of things you can pick from. But tell him Bubba sent you. Might get a discount, or he might charge you extra. I don't know. So let's just kind of cube this up a little bit here. For any of y'all that's had this before, I hope it's good. I really do. So let's do this. I'll take the end pieces here first and let y'all have a clue here. Take a small piece. You can actually see some of the peppers in it. See the pepper there? It's got jalapenos in it. And actually, let's see how it tastes raw. It's got a good flavor to it. It's got the jalapeno flavor. Doesn't have a whole lot of spice. There's a little kick at the end, not much. But it tastes pretty good. So, I don't know. We'll see how it goes when it's fried up. Let's turn this oven on. The stove, whatever you want to call it. Now my little girl loves Spam, but she does not like spicy. She despises spice. She doesn't even like a whole lot of pepper. So there ain't no need in letting her try this. But normally, she's my little Spam buddy. We'll have nights where we eat pretty much nothing but a can of Spam for dinner. I know it's not the healthiest thing, but we enjoy it. And that's our business. There you go. That should be enough for an omelet. Now when I fry Spam, I usually do it on a medium to high heat, because I don't want it to cook too slow, but I don't want it to cook too fast. But I like that weird little crisp on the outside and the mush a little bit in the middle. So that's how I do it. We'll let it get warmed up a little bit, and I'll always add a little bit of olive oil. But I'm out of that bottle right now. So let's see what we got here. Ooh, that sounds fancy. Cinnamon pear balsamic vinaigrette. We're not going to use that. Just a little bit left over in that one. Just add a little bit in there to grease up the pan. We'll add some over here in our egg pan too. Now when I scramble and boil and fry my eggs up for omelets, I always usually put a good bit of oil in the pan for my omelets. I found that it helps them not stick so much, and I make better omelets that way. But yeah, what do y'all like to cook? Huh? This is one of my camp kind of things I love to cook, spam. But when I was a kid, my dad, I don't think my dad didn't like it, but me and my mom did. So every time I eat it, I remember being a kid. And that's never a bad thing. Never grow up. Never surrender. So we're going to get this hot. I'm going to fry that up. But get my eggs and everything going. Now I've heard it said before that your perfect omelet's with 2 eggs. I've heard it said that it's with 3 eggs. Me personally, I like 3 eggs. Maybe because I'm fat, I don't know. But I think it covers my pan better, allows me to make better omelets. I just like 3 eggs. So that's what I'm going to use. 3 eggs. Those are some good brown ones. Y'all see those? Oh, I think y'all can see those. Yes, sir. Can y'all see that? I just noticed. Yeah, that's how you know you got a little girl running around the house. What is that? Fingernail polish on my kitchen counter. And a pack of bubble yum. Yeah, the kids were here. When I do my eggs, I add a little bit of milk, salt, pepper, and garlic. I love garlic. And it's actually supposed to be healthy for you or something. I don't know. That's what they say anyhow. Throw you some garlic in there, a good bit of, a little bit of salt. Now, somewhere I've heard people say, I like to watch a lot of them cooking shows. They tell you don't put salt in it until the end or something like that. I don't do that. Now, since we're going to jalapeno, I'm going to add a little bit of Texas Pete in my eggs. One of my favorite hot sauce for eggs is actually Cholula. You know Cholula, it's the one with the wooden cap on it. That's my favorite for eggs. But I'm out of Cholula, so we're going to throw some Texas Pete in there, and I think that'll work pretty good with this jalapeno. Pan's about hot, so we're going to throw some of this Spam in there. Yeah, sizzle, sizzle. You want it to sizzle. I'm going to make a shirt with that. Sizzle, sizzle. Or you want it to sizzle. Something like that. That'd be funny, I think. Or not. Alright, get that Spam going. Let's get these eggs beat up. Pan on. Sometimes I actually mix my shredded cheese right into the eggs. I don't think I'm going to do that today. Not with all the grease I'm going to have from the Spam. I'm going to put them right on top of the Spam when I put them in the omelet. Pause for the cause. Boom. Got it. Alright. Eggs are ready. Spam's going. Oh yeah. Flattening things out a little bit. There you go. Get this pan going hot. We'll be cooking in a second here. Alright, we're going to give this just a second to get everything going. Alright, when my pan's hot enough that I can jerk the oil around and spread all over the pan, that means I'm ready to put my eggs in. I don't want to flash cook them, but I got this big pan so it'll get thin out like I want it to. Keep the eggs mixed up a little bit. Slide them jokers in there. Let them start cooking. And then clean up a little bit while you're going. Yeah, boy. Alright, when I'm cooking, I try to have everything going at the same time. My eggs, I like to cook a little bit slower, depending on how I feel like eating, because I want it all to cook at the same time. I don't want to just flash burn the bottom, the middle still be gooey. I don't like that. So I got my eggs. Let's see if you can see this without messing everything up. See, not a whole crazy lot of bubbles going on. It's cooking nice and slow, but you can see the edges starting to cook. That means it's cooking through. You can see some white over here cooking up. It's going to be cooking hopefully pretty even. Spam's getting cooked up. Yeah, baby. Oh, now you're crooked. Bam. All right. And we cooking, baby. Oh, on the whole videos coming up thing, I got challenged by Bill Reese to answer 8 questions. Now he gave me the 8 questions too, so that's kind of, I'm gonna try to get that to be my next video up. And I'm gonna challenge some people on that video too, but I gotta go re-watch his video, write all the questions down and answer that to you. So that's gonna be one of the next ones, and this is all gonna be about bushcraft, different questions about, you know, things like what do I prefer to have, what I can't live without. There was a few questions. I watched the video last night, but I can't remember all the questions. So that video is coming up too. I got a nice video that I've been planning on doing. I was going to actually do it before I got sick. And I hope y'all check that one out too, because one of the biggest things I hate in this world are ticks. And I've been doing a lot of research about ticks. And I ain't going to spill all the beans right this second, but I'm going to do a whole video on them nasty little jokers. I hate them. So that'll be coming up too. Now that it's good and hot outside, you don't have to worry about them. Can't help it here in middle Georgia. There's ticks everywhere. Dropped another one. Not too good at this whole flipping thing. Oh well. Alright. When my eggs look like they're almost done, but still a little gooey on the top, that's when I spread the cheese so it can still mold into all the gooey. Oh, I just don't think that's going to be enough cheese, fellas. I just don't think that's going to do it. But you know what? Fat kid has more. We're going to throw some sliced cheese on there too. Oops. Sliced cheese for you. Slice of cheese for you. Alright, I'm going to take one of these pan fried ones off, let it cool just a little bit, and I'll let you know how it tastes before I stick it on my omelet. Because this thing's almost ready. Somebody done hid my favorite spatula. Nope, the kid washed it. This is my favorite spatula. Check this out. This thing's been around, cooked, used, and abused. But it's great for omelets because I can get down in there. See that? Whoosh. Yeah, boy. Let's try it. Brings out a little bit more of the jalapeno flavor when you fry it, of course. A little crispy on the outside, a little soft on the inside. That's real good. I think it's going to be amazing in my omelet. Yeah, you do too? Yeah, I do too. Check this out. Yeah, boy. That might be where I want it. Yep, because the eggs are ready, spam's ready. Throw that on there. Turn that eye off. We're going to even this up just a little bit. Okay, let's see that, can you? Check it out. Woo. I kind of cut it a little bit, but it'll be fine. It'll be just fine. Check this out. Y'all gonna like this. Check this out. You ready? Can y'all see that? Oh, goodness. Let's get that plastic bag out the way. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Oh, my Lord, have mercy on my fat cells. Tell me that's not a good looking omelet. That's a good looking omelet. Except for, you can see where I cut it. That gummit. Grab a fork. Can y'all see that? That's some good looking victuals right there. Lord, thank you for this food, nourish for our bodies. Thank you for making us all better and healthy. Thank you, Lord, for this wonderful blessing. Let us have a great day. Amen. Now, I've never had this spam before cooked like this. So far, when it was raw, I enjoyed it. Just out the pan, it was good. I almost always put hot sauce in my eggs. So I'm wondering how it's going to be with the added jalapeno spam to it. So I guess we're going to find out. And I didn't really wait no time. All I did was wiped out the pans. Because every time when I'm done cooking, I take a paper towel and I wipe my pans out. That way they're a lot easier to wash. You saw how it didn't really stick to my pans anyways. That's that oil. I always cook with oil. So this, what I'm saying is this hasn't really cooled down any at all. So we're gonna blow it like I'm 3 again. Get us a little bite going on here. See the cheese, everything sticking to it. A little bit of egg, a little bit of spam, a little bit of cheese. Let's try it out. What y'all think? Cut it all up. Don't look too bad, does it? Let's see here. It's warm, but it tastes good. I'm really glad I didn't add extra salt. I usually add a good bit of salt on my eggs before I put everything together, before I fold it up. But I didn't do that because I know Spam has a lot of salt in it. And I usually buy the low sodium Spam. But with the salt and the Spam on this omelet, it made it perfect. Oh, it's good. I'm not even gonna lie, guys, that's real good. And I'm glad I put the hot sauce in the eggs too, because it's not got a whole lot of spice to it. It's just got the jalapeno flavor. Well, I'm gonna finish eating. I appreciate y'all watching this video. Do me a favor, like it down here, subscribe, share it around. If you want these things to get sent, make sure you hit that little bell so it'll notify you when I post a video. Hopefully you'll be getting a lot more notifications coming up soon. Get off my lazy, sick butt, start making some more videos. Got these new Leatherman super tool sheaths I'm making. Own design. They're actually pretty good. I like them. I'm going to make one for myself, and I don't usually do that. So check them out. Hit me up. So I appreciate all y'all's views, likes, and subscribes. Keep it going, folks. Y'all have a blessed day. All right, y'all. Take care. Bye.